Pranam doston. Today I will share a new video related to breathing practice through which you can just get aware about your body, your mind and your soul. I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel Yogic Raga with Varun. You can also like and comment on my video. Thank you. The first thing you can do, just sit in a comfortable position with your back and your neck in a straight position. Close your eyes. Breath, a bridge to meditation. If you can do something with the breath, you will suddenly turn to the present. If you can do something with breath, you will attain the source of life. If you can do something with breath, you can transcend time and space. If you can do something with breath, you will be in the and also beyond it. Becoming aware of breathing. As the breath goes in, your belly starts rising up, and as the breath goes out, your belly starts settling down. So in this method, be aware of your belly. It's rising and falling. Just the very awareness of the belly rising and falling, and the belly is very close to the life source because the child is joined with the mother lives through the navel. Behind the navel is his life source. So when the belly rises up, it is really the energy, the spring of life that is rising up and falling down with each breath. That too is not difficult and perhaps maybe even easier because it is a single technique. Just the belly moving up and down, and the result, as you become more aware of your body, the belly, the mind becomes silent, the heart becomes silent, and the moods disappear. Sitting, find a reasonably comfortable and alert position to sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Back and head should be straight, eyes closed, and breathing normal. Stay as still as possible, only changing position if it's really necessary. While sitting, the primary object is to be watching the rise and fall of belly slightly above the navel caused by breathing in and out. It is not a concentration technique, so while watching the breath, many other things will take your attention away. Nothing is a distraction, so when something else comes up, stop watching the breath, pay attention to whatever is happening until it's possible to go back to a breath. This may include thoughts, feelings, judgments, body sensations, impressions from the outside world. It is a process of watching that is significant, not so much what you are watching. So remember not to become identified with whatever come up. Questions or problems may just be seen as mystery to be enjoyed. Whenever you feel that the mind is not tranquil, tense, worried, chattering, anxious, constantly dreaming, do one thing. First, exhale deeply. Always start by exhaling. Exhale deeply as much as you can. Throw the air out. Throwing out the air, the mood will be thrown out too. Because breathing is everything. And then expel the breath as far as possible. Pull the belly and retain for a few. Then allow the body to inhale. Inhale deeply as much as you can. Again, stop for a few seconds. The gap should be same as when you retain the breath out. If you retain it out for 3 seconds, retain the breath in for 3 seconds. Throw it out, hold for 3 seconds, take it in and hold for 3 seconds. But it has to be thrown out completely. Exhale totally and inhale totally and make a rhythm. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold, breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold. Immediately you will feel a change coming in your whole being. The mood will go, a new climate will enter. Vipassana. Vipassana is a meditation that has made more people in the world enlightened than any other because it is the very essence. Vipassana is such a simple thing that even a small child can do it. In fact, the smallest child can do it better than you because he is not yet filled with the garbage of the mind. He is still clean and innocent. Vipassana can be done in three ways. You can choose which one suits you the best. The first is awareness of your action, your body, your mind, your heart. Walking, you should walk with awareness. Moving your hand, you should move with awareness. Knowing perfectly that you are moving the hand, you can move it without any consciousness like a mechanical thing. You are on a morning walk, you can go on walking without being aware of your feet. Be alert of the movement of your body. While eating, be alert to the movements that are needed for eating.
योगस्थ कुरु कर्माणि संघम त्यक्त्वा धनंजय सिद्धि असिद्ध्यो समो भूत्वा स्मत्वम योग उच्यते. O Dhananjaya, perform action being steadfast in yoga, abandoning attachment and remaining equanimous in success and failure. Yoga is equanimity of mind.